On today's menu, this easy recipe will ensure that you always put your best food forward. Easy kimchi rice.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. Who doesn't like a recipe where the stove does most of the work?
Saucepan. A half cup rice is good for 1 portion. Rinse and drain the rice 2 or 3 times until the water becomes clear. Half cup water. Heat the rice on medium-high. Bamboo.
This is amazing kimchi I made in the previous episode. Kimchi is so easy to make, and it's just packed with flavor.
When the rice starts to bubble, turn the heat down to medium-low. 2 tablespoons kimchi. Stir. Cover the pot and let it cook for 15 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it continue steaming for another 10 minutes. Plate. Fluff the rice with a fork or a spatula. Green onion. Black sesame seeds. You can now make this easy kimchi rice with absolute confidence.
This kimchi rice is absolutely perfect if you had a busy day. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.